How to make a cocoa butter and vitamin E cream to moisturize your hands. Moisturizing your skin is an easy and healthy habit. After all, it helps you to counteract the negative effects from exposure to dust, cleaning products, and the environment. It's easy to ignore it. However, the skin of your hands easily loses its natural moisture with time. This makes it susceptible to injury and signs of aging. Your skin is exposed to the sun's rays and toxins. Because of this, it can show unsightly spots and imperfections. Fortunately, there are some 100 natural remedies that can help. These help to rehydrate and regenerate your skin by giving it a boost of nutrients and benefits. In this article, we want to share a homemade cream to moisturize your hands with cocoa butter and vitamin E. This is ideal for protecting you from dryness and free radicals. You'll love it. A wonderful hydrating cream with cocoa butter and vitamin E. First of all, the combination of cocoa and vitamin E makes the cream with hydrating and restorative properties. Overall, applying it regularly makes dry hands look better. Unlike commercial creams, it doesn't have aggressive chemicals. It also doesn't cause any negative side effects after being applied. Instead, its antioxidants encourage cellular regeneration. Plus, they reduce the negative effects caused by the sun and toxins. The benefits of cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is known in the cosmetic industry for its versatility and its hydrating effect. It's a natural product that revitalizes dry and sensitive skins. Cocoa butter has great amounts of fatty acids, vitamin E, and proteins. After absorption, these help to keep your skin's natural moisture while your cells repair themselves. Features a hydrating effect that counteracts damage caused by UV rays. Plus, it counteracts chemical cleaning products, which leaves your hands soft and smooth. Has healing and anti-inflammatory properties. Overall, these are great for promoting skin healing when faced with superficial wounds or burns. Features antioxidants and essential minerals that help to inhibit the negative effects of free radicals. As a result, it reduces the appearance of dark spots and prevents skin looseness. The benefits of vitamin E. Vitamin E oil is a hydrating and protecting ingredient. It helps to maintain your skin's beauty. Plus, it's easy to find in capsules in pharmacies and cosmetic stores. It is said to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Both of these are able to heal your skin from damage caused by the sun, heat sources, and rapid changes in climate. Plus, they also reduce oxidative stress and speed up cellular regeneration to prevent spots and wrinkles. Applying it to your hands helps to keep them smooth and moisturized, especially when your skin's pH level is changed because of contact with chemical products. In addition, it's recommended for reducing the buildup of dead skin cells and other particles that cause imperfections. How do you make this natural cream with cocoa butter and vitamin E? Making this natural cream for hydrating your hands is very simple. It'll only take you a few minutes. First of all, make sure to get 100 organic ingredients. This is because there are refined varieties that lack nutrients. As an extra, we suggest adding coconut oil. This is an ingredient that's rich in nutrients that will help you to stay moisturized. Ingredients: 4 tablespoons cocoa butter, 1 vitamin E capsule, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, optional. Instructions: First, add the cocoa butter to a heat-resistant container. Then, put it in a double boiler. Then, when it melts, add the contents of the vitamin E capsule. If you want, you can also add the coconut oil and mix it together. When it's mixed well, take it off of the heat and let it cool to room temperature. Pour the cream into a container with a lid and use it every day. How to use it? First, take a small amount of the cream and rub it on your hands and cuticles. Then, massage it until it's completely absorbed. Repeat this up to 3 times per day. Add it to your personal care routine, preferably every day. Do you want to make your own hand cream? Now you know how easy it is. Buy the ingredients in your favorite drugstore and enjoy its fantastic properties.